Cheese.
I need this too.
Smile for the camera.
Cheese.
Oh.
Click. Can I have another pose? Do another pose. Do it.
Ready? Do that. Stand up for a minute. Ready? Let's show Mom what. So Mom can see it. Ready? Just put your hand on your hip.
Cheese.
Put your hand on your hip and go like this.
Another picture. Put your hand on your hip and put your hip out.
Where's the
Cheese.
marker?
Click.
He can't do that. With
What?
the marker. He can't use the marker.
It's not a marker. It's a crayon, buddy.
Take it
He
off.
can't use the
Take it off.
crayon.
Why can't he use the crayon? This is a democracy here. We live in the
Can you
United
put this
States
on
of
you?
America.
No,
Why?
because
Your brother did it. He looks cooler than you do
No.
now.
Can I have another picture?
I said no.
Hey, can I have a picture of the two of you guys?
I wanna make a house. I'm making a black house. This is gonna be my. This is gonna be.
All right, we're
my
done.
house.